Continue from our page number 3 of the last lecture. The new word is added in our this chapter, our solar system and the earth, the space. The emptiness between and beyond the stars and planet is called space or outer space. You have to note down this. What is space? The emptiness between and beyond the stars and planet is called as outer space. I take out it that you must remember. The question is, what is space? The answer, the emptiness between and beyond the stars and planet is called space or outer space. People have always been curious about the heavenly bodies in the sky. They have always wanted to reach them. However, to send some object from the earth into the space, it must be given power. On the right hand side, there are the artificial satellites are there. Now come to on page number 4. It must be given power against the force of gravity. Rocket technology or space launch technology is used for that purpose. One of the Diwali firecracker is called a rocket. Look at in the diagram. That is, one of the Diwali fire rocket is called as a rocket. The explosive burn rapidly and produce a lot of energy. The design of the rocket is such that the firecracker is pushed in a certain direction at a great speed. When you are burning, when there is a Diwali, when you burn the rocket, the explosive burn rapidly and produce a lot of energy. You burn the rocket from here. And this explosive burn rapidly and produce a lot of energy. The design of rocket is such that the firecracker is pushed in a certain direction at a greater speed. Very powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into space. A tremendous quantity of fuel is burnt in rocket so that spacecraft weighing thousands of tons can be launched into space. Look at in the diagram, space launch using a rocket. Here, the burning of fuel. The fuel is burnt in the rocket so that spacecraft go forward in the upward direction. And this spacecraft weighing thousands of tons can be launched into space. In the 20th century, a few countries of the world developed space technology and sent hundreds of spacecraft into space. Our country is well known for the development of its space launch technology. Some spacecraft remain in space, some are brought back to Earth, while some land on other planets or satellites. In some missions, scientists travel in the spacecraft. They are called astronauts. Then again take out what is astronauts. What is astronauts? That is, in some missions, scientists also travel in the spacecraft. They call astronauts. Question is that, who is astronauts? The answer is that. Yes? Now the next one. Do you know Indian astronaut Rakesh Sharma became our first Indian astronaut to go into space in 1984. He spent 8 days on a space station for a joint mission of the ISRO. Full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization and the Soviet Intercosmos. Seeing India from space, he said that it looks सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा. Now some activities I have given to you. You have to done in your regular notebook. What is the activity? Activity write information about Indian astronauts. Astronaut with their pictures. That is, there are 3 Indian astronauts. First one is the Rakesh Sharma is given in this textbook. The second one is Kalpana Chawla. And third one is Sunita Williams. You have to collect information from the net, note down in your notebook with their pictures. Now the next one. Chawla, Sunita Williams, astronauts of Indian origin. Man-made, what does man-made satellites? Man-made satellites provide useful information for agriculture. We have seen that moon is our natural satellite of our earth. Man-made satellites that we have, look in the next pictures, that is, they are the Mangalyaan, then Chandrayaan. These are the artificial satellites. Provide useful information for agriculture, environment, weather forecasting, making maps and searching for water, mineral wealth on the earth. They are also used for telecommunication. How they are useful for telecommunication? There we are watching the matches throughout the year and far away from the other countries at our home. Then how they are possible due to these man-made satellites. The weather forecasting, that where there is a sunny days, cloudy days, where the sun is bright, how the earthquakes is happening, and when the storm is coming. These all weather information forecasting are we got from the man-made satellites. They can remain in space for many years. Always remember, space scientists have not yet been able to find a single other planet which has life on it. Therefore, our Earth is an invaluable planet. The degradation of its environment for any reason will be threat to the existence of life itself. That's why we save our environment by not polluting it with water, land and air. What we have learned from in this chapter? The first point is the sun is a star. All the other bodies in the solar system get light from the sun. Second one, the sun and the planets, their satellites, dwarf planets, asteroids that revolve around the sun are together called the solar system. This is the answer of what is solar system. Then what is solar system? The sun and the planet, the satellite, dwarf planets and asteroids that revolve around the sun are together called the solar system. Now the next point. Things on the earth remain on it due to the force of gravity. All the things on the earth remain as it is. That is, all the non-living things, all the living things are remain on it because of the force of gravity, that is the gravitational force. Unless when our earth is revolve around the sun, the water on the earth and all we are fall down into the space. Yes. Now the next one. To travel in space, the earth's gravitational force has to be overcome. Rocket technology help us to do that. Now come to our exercise. What's the solution? Its answer I have already given in this lecture. Now come to second question. Use your brain power. What will happen to a solar system? The sun were to suddenly disappear. Suppose you want to give your address to a friend you have on the planet Mars. How will you write your address if you want them to understand exactly where you live? Suppose you think that is just like we are living in the Mumbai, we are living in the Bangalore, Chennai, Patna, Bihar, anywhere, any other cities. Then we write our address like this: Mukesh Sharma, A Wing 302, then Evershine City, Vasai East, Mumbai, Maharashtra. But when your friend is on the other planet Mars, Mangalyaan, Mangal Graha, then how will you write your address if you want them to understand exactly where you live? This answer of this question number first and second I have given here. This one. Use your brain power. What will happen to our solar system? And your address is given here. That is, you have to write your name. Kumar means the boys, Kumari means your girls. Press your address. You have to note down. Yes? Same as it is. This one is the answer. Now come to the next. Who am I? You can see me from the earth, but the lighted part of me that you see changes every day. The answer is that the moon. Again, I have given answers of that. These are the answers. Now these are extra fill in the blanks and you underline correct words I have given here. You have to note down in your notebook. And question number 4 answer I have given. Come to our textbook. Who am I? The first question answer is moon. Second is I have my own light. It is only from me that the planet get light and heat. Who is sun? I turn around myself around a planet and also around a star. That one I write the answers here. Here answer is moon. M for moon. Here S for sun. Then C satellite. Then D planet. Then earth. E I write down E for earth. Again S for sun. And the next fifth question answer is in our textbook. For what purpose are rocket used in space travel? Come to the page number 4. Here is the answer. very powerful up to the spacecraft. This one is the answer of question number 5, A. Now, what information do man-made satellites provide? This is the answer. Whole paragraph you have to note down. Question number 5, B. Is it clear? Now come to our exercise. The last question. Question number 3. In the picture below, correct sequence of the planet from the sun is given. You have to follow the diagram. For this question's answer, you have to follow the diagram on page number 2. Look at page number 2. This one. Same diagram and same answers. So note down the all the planets in sequence wise. That is Mars, Earth, Venus. The first Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. That one is the answer. Now here our first lesson is completed. You have to done all these question answers in your notebook and send me in our group. Yes, bye bye. Next lesson we start in the next lecture.